Um, GM, it's really an honor to have you here in Liechtenstein, and to my watching people, I have now the honor to have an interview with GM Peachy Baron Sauring from Manila, and I'm so excited, I'm so happy to have you. Thank you for this. And the first questions I have to you is, at what age did you have your first experience with self-defense?
Oh, my first experience in self-defense was not really violent. It was something you move by instinct. At that time, I was still training with Warangdo. It's a Korean martial arts where they train us with blocking, hand techniques, kicking and everything. And then a casual acquaintance of mine who mistook my kindness for an invitation tried to cross a physical boundary. So without even thinking, my hand moved instinctively to block. And I was so confused, and he was also confused that he felt embarrassed. He left immediately, and we never spoke again. That time I realized that self-defense is not really about violence, but about protecting your space and commanding respect without even saying a word.
Oh yes, thanks. And you do the Illustrissimo style. I like this style. Before 10 years ago, I was with you and I trained with you, and it was really, it was cool. But why did you choose the Illustrissimo style, and is something about really special that you say, wow, yes, that it is?
I'd like to feel that Illustrissimo chose me.
Yeah.
At the beginning of my journey in Filipino martial arts, I didn't realize there were many systems. But when I joined Bakbakan International, the weapon system being taught is Illustrissimo. And Master Tony Diego was the one teaching it. While they are teaching sticks, Master Tony preferred to teach me with a blade. And that was my first introduction with blade. And I fell in love with it immediately and felt no need to train in other system. But all FMA systems are beautiful.
Yes. Yeah, all styles have special things, but blade is really wow. I also like it.
Yeah.
I'm very excited to your training.
Especially good for people who do not need, who cannot use brute strength like women, but fluidity and grace.
And I think things it's like you dance when you train with the blade. It's really it's very nice to look at this,
because it's not about blade. It's not about aggression. It's about having an absolute control, command, knowing you are armed with a weapon that amplifies your precision, timing, and accuracy.
You are here in Liechtenstein and you come from Manila. So what is it like for you as a Filipina to travel around the world and teach?
It's a gift. You know, in every country I visit, I see their culture. And sharing Illustrissimo, my passion, and being invited to different countries to share my passion is already a gift. I see their culture, their food, their dessert. But what is most important to me is being invited to a place where you meet family of practitioners and being welcome so far from home.
Because the world is a whole family.
Yes.
Finally, the last questions. What are your future projects? Did you have some?
Right now, my project is my third book, which I am excited to see in print. And also, I would like to host a global seminar, Illustrissimo seminar in the Philippines, where I will invite all practitioners of Illustrissimo to train in the home ground of Illustrissimo, to feel the spirit of the ancient.
Yeah.
It's something different.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, culturally it's nice, where you see where the system originated. That's part of the plan, and
Yeah,
I wish
wow.
to invite you.
That sounds very interesting. I will buy your book. Thank you so much,
Okay,
Chien.
thank you for having me.